Hey, it's Bailey Bible here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, also known as IP Truck. We are here for another episode of Shop Talk. Now today we're going to talk about our parts department a little bit and what we can provide for you. Now we currently have 2 locations with McKinney and Fort Worth and a third one on the way that'll be in Louisville. With those 3 locations, we can offer you your parts across the entire DFW Metroplex and we can get them to you ASAP. Now whether you have one individual vehicle or a massive fleet like a public works department, we are your one-stop shop. Now standing next to me is Mark Hilgas, our parts department manager over in McKinney, and he's going to give us a little bit more information about our parts department. Now Mark, how long have you been with us and what is your background?
I've been with Industrial Power for a little over 2.5 years, and I'm bringing 35 years of parts manager experience to the company.
That's amazing. What are our OEM brands?
Our truck line, Autocar, Hino, and Isuzu. Then we are a full-bore Allison, Cummins, and Spartan dealership.
That's perfect. So we really do have it all. Now, what is the standard delivery time frame when we have stuff stocked on the shelf?
When we have items on shelf, as long as you get the order to us by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we can do a same-day delivery. Items that we do not have on the shelf and ordered in, we can have option of drop shipping to you or have will call based.
That's perfect. Now, do we offer any emergency or rush shipping, and what is the cost for our delivery?
To deliver from our location, there is no cost. We do have rush shipping, which we can have drop shipped right from the vendors, and we do have option of next day or 3-day ground, which is free.
That is perfect. Now, which parts do you think we stock the most? Our engine and transmission parts or cabin chassis pieces?
We actually carry a pretty good selection of everything through our inventory. This way here we can meet your demands.
That is perfect. Now that is the end of our Shop Talk video. If you have any question over parts, please visit our website at iptruck.com. And if you've recently been in for service, please go ahead and visit our Google page and leave us a review. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.